Hi guys, so this is me, Pranita Pandit, and this is my first Amazon Live with all of you guys, and I am super excited about it, and I'm really thrilled to share my favorites with all of you sitting out there who are watching me. I think I'll just take a few minutes and talk about myself a bit, and then we kind of get into it because I'm just waiting for some more people to kind of join in slowly. And I can see a couple of guys there. Hi, I'm Pranita and I'm on Amazon Live. So, who am I? I am an actor, I'm an influencer, I'm a mom, and I'm a new mom. My daughter's only 2 years old, and I have been into this acting profession for almost 12 years. And आप सबने मेरे बहुत सारे shows देखे होंगे and TV पे देखा होगा, and it has like really taught me a lot and made me who I am today. And one thing more I want to share with you is कि I have always done my own makeup. Like starting के 5 साल तो नहीं, but उसके बाद when I learned the hack of makeup, I was like this person जिसको काजल लगाना भी नहीं आता था, and then suddenly I was on the set where somebody else was doing my makeup and doing my hair, and it was an amazing feeling. But मुझे हमेशा वो लगता था कि यार how does he put it so well, मैं क्यों नहीं लगा पा रही हूँ, and I need to do it like myself and do it my way. And of course patience की थोड़ी सी कमी थी, तो constantly sitting in front of the mirror and somebody else playing with your face is something that I really didn't enjoy much. So that's how I got into the makeup and beauty part of it. So that is a little bit of background on me. And now I am like plus 30, so I have really indulged myself in skincare and makeup and hair care and body care, because I realized over a period of time I have now become a skincare junkie. Like literally जितने products मैंने use किए हैं, I doubt people have kind of used as many products as I have like used, rejected, figured, read. So I am like a self-educated person when it comes to skincare and beauty and hair and body care and all of that. And I was always that go-to person for all my friends कि अरे आजकल सबसे अच्छी क्रीम कौन सी आई है, बताना कौन सी लगा रही है, वैसा वाला. So from there to here it is amazing कि अब मेरे पास सिर्फ 4 दोस्त नहीं हैं जिनसे मैं शेयर करूँगी अपने secrets, अपने favorite products and all of that. But I have a huge Amazon family which I'm a part of, because during lockdown I think I ordered everything online and from Amazon. So I did massive research, and it has actually got me here. So yes, once again, this is Pranita Pandit. Welcome everybody. Now I can actually see the whole Amazon family joining in, and it is so much fun. So पहली बात, आज का जो हमारा लिंक है और मैं क्या बोलने वाली हूँ, क्या बताने वाली हूँ, it starts with a K. Of course, that Balaji effect will always remain. Like I love Korean drama, I love K-pop, and I think a lot of you guys out there are K fans, Korean drama or music fans. At the same time, I'm a huge fan of Korean skincare. आपने उनकी skin देखी है? It's like flawless, it is glowing, it is so like natural and nice. And I am telling you one thing for sure कि जो सबसे important चीज़ is not makeup. It's not even learning makeup. It's about actually taking care of your skin. If your skin is right, it is nice, it is supple, your makeup will set in well, it will blend in well, it will look flawless and make you look even prettier than what you are. So I really feel कि everyone out there should invest, research, know more about so many skincare products now that are already available with us, and we just have to figure out, because we are hesitant. So any products you guys are hesitant about, you want me to answer some questions, or you want to ask me if I've used it, I will be extremely honest to everyone sitting out there watching this live or watching this video later about all the products that I feature on this live. So this is my Korean skincare regime routine. K fans, you will love all the products that I'm going to be featuring that I have got from Amazon, and I have done my research. So I'm going to be sharing all those products with all of you now. So I think now it's time we get into it, and we kind of start discussing the things that we're here for. So the first one is this. It's a Peptronic serum. Now, what is this? This is a toner plus serum. It is something that you put सबसे पहले जैसे ही आप अपना face wash करते हैं एक अच्छे cleanser के साथ, you know, I'll just feature it for you. You can check it out here. There is some 25% discount also that is kind of, you know, going on this product. And I was researching, I was reading. I feel toner is something जो बहुत important है, and a lot of people think it toner कौन लगाता है यार, it's like just put a moisturizer and you're done. But why a toner? Because a good toner will create a skin के ऊपर एक barrier जिससे आपके, you know, all those fine lines, those that anti pollution will not get into your skin. It will not let it kind of go into it, and it will protect your skin. It is the first step after a cleanser is a good toner. Now let me tell you about my skin. My skin is extremely dry, sensitive, allergic, so I have to be very very careful with what products I use. So मतलब being very honest, अगर मैं कह रही हूँ कि मेरी स्किन पे रिएक्शन नहीं हुआ इस प्रोडक्ट के साथ, that means कि that product is safe, because my face is so sensitive that I will get a rash or a patch like this the moment I'll put it, and it'll start scratching, or else I'll wake up with those dry patches here there. You know, we all get it sometimes. So I will tell you ways how to kind of, you know, get out of that situation if you faced. So the first product is a Peptronic serum, which has, you know, 5 types of hyaluronic acid. Now lot of you know कि hyaluronic acid सुना तो होगा ही सबने, बहुत सारे लोगों ने सुना होगा, and they feel everyone saying अरे any skin doctor you'll go to, first thing they'll say hyaluronic acid लगाओ, vitamin C लगाओ, collagen का कुछ लगाओ, because you know if you're aging and if you're 30 plus you want to take care of your skin and protect your skin. So now the main thing about skin care and about hair care or body care is that आप जितना बचाओगे उतना long last करेगा. So the sooner you start, the better it is for you. Now this Peptronic serum is something that I have used personally, and just look at it, like it's transparent. It has 5 types of hyaluronic acid का mixture in it, and see, I'll show you. Just one drop. It's like a jelly. दिख रहा है आपको थोड़ा सा? It's not, and it's like water. The moment I do it, it kind of just disappears. It just disappears. Here. One more thing, सारे products जब आप you know, any product that you buy, you should always first test it on your hand, how it feels on your hand, and then kind of, you know, invest in it, or like invest, and you've got it and you want to use कि भाई ये मेरे को react तो नहीं कर रहा. So it is best कि आप पहले अपने arm space को apply करें, देखें. It's gone. It's so light. It is extremely light. A toner is supposed to be light and something that kind of, you know, moisturizes your skin, and this is that. So Sirif hyaluronic acid was something I thought कि, you know, was creating a little bit of बहुत ही water type था और एकदम से absorb हो जाता था. But I bought this because this has like 6 types of hyaluronic acid. It is of course a Korean brand that has done this. So, and I believe नहीं करोगे, I was looking for it, I couldn't find it anywhere, and I found it on Amazon like this. In fact, I can see there is a 25% discount also that is kind of there on this product, and it is not super expensive. So there are a lot of these products which are super duper expensive, and there are some products. So मैं जो showcase करूँगी इसमें सारे ranges होंगे. There will be a high end brand, there will be a regular affordable brand, and also I keep experimenting, and I don't go with one skincare for a really long period of time. So I also appreciate अगर आप कोई questions पूछना चाहते हैं आप पूछ सकते हैं. I'm gonna answer all those questions for you. How do you use it, before or washing, later? See, first you have to always clean your face. After you've cleaned your face, Sobia, you just apply this. It will absorb like in a split second. You will apply it and you will suddenly feel that moisture surge on your skin. And this is how, it is supposed to be applied and used. This is a Peptronic serum. It is a toner. It is something that is the first thing that I use after washing my face. So there you go. This is how it looks. It's transparent is what I like. I can see it. I can see the molecules. It is just a great product. So this is what. Any more questions about the Peptronic serum, you can like right now hit me up here and let me know. Hi, I have so many viewers out here. Okay, so Gauri is somebody who's just asked me a question which says that what products do you recommend for acne? Okay, that I am going to be coming to that, because acne is a huge issue and a lot of us have faced it in the past, and some people जिनकी skin oily होती है उनके लिए acne is a big problem. So we will discuss about some masks, some things that in today's life about acne. So you please, you can keep watching. And this is also something that you can use on acne prone skin, because acne के साथ आपको एक चीज़ हमेशा अपने ध्यान में रखनी है, वो ये है कि बहुत थिक नॉट अब्जॉर्बिंग प्रोडक्ट यूज़ नहीं करना है, सो दैट इट विल बी लाइक, अदरवाइज वो इट विल सिट ऑन यू एंड उसके बाद क्या होता है ना कि वो इट अट्रैक्ट्स मोर डर्ट. So basically and I'm reading all the chats here, guys, so it's not that I'm not going to be answering your questions and it'll be a one-sided live. I don't want it to be a one-sided live. I want it to be an interactive one. So yes, this is recommended for acne pro skin. There are other things also, but yes, this you can use if your face is oily and if your face is dry. In both conditions you can use this, and it's okay. It is absolutely okay for people who have pores and oily skin and all of that. It is good. In fact, it helps in tightening those pores. क्योंकि toner से हमेशा एक you will feel a little nice hydration, which kind of helps for people who have dry skin, who have oily skin, multiple skin types. There is no compulsion कि ये सिर्फ dry skin वालों के लिए है. Of course, it works like wonder on people. Oily skin using, yeah, you can use it. Sensitive skin के लिए तो I will highly recommend it, because मेरी skin बहुत sensitive है and I know, so that is the thing. So this was my first featured product and I wanted to start with this. Also guys, I'm going to be doing some unboxing in this live today and I'm going to be showing you some products. Chemical free है. See, this is it's not chemical free though, I will not say, because hyaluronic acid is a chemical itself, but it is a good thing for your skin. It is made for your skin. So it's ये जो notion है ना लोगों में कि chemical free है या natural है, I completely respect that and I understand that, but ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि chemicals make your skin weaker. In fact, it helps your skin a lot if you're using it the right way, guys. Okay, I have oily skin, so just try it. It will just put this and do not put too much on your face. Try, in fact, if you have a oily skin type, then please try and use products which are very very light and very very mild, like जो बहुत heavy नहीं हो skin पे. So yeah, that was it for the Peptronic serum, which you can get on Amazon on 25% off, and I love it. So my first product to be featured is that, and now I've clicked on that particular product that I want to talk about next, जिसकी मैं unboxing भी करने वाली हूँ. I have used, so this product, there is a story behind this product, which is Cosrx. Okay, so me and my sister keep discussing skincare products all the time, and one day she's like, oh, I figured out something which is amazing, and it's snail slime. So I don't know कि कितने लोग जानते हैं snail slime के बारे में, but trust me, snail slime is so good for your skin, and you will actually see a before and after difference in your skin. Like if you apply it on a regular basis, your face will glow, it will shine, you will feel that smoother texture. In fact, जो लोग पूछ रहे थे मुझसे for oily skin, this is again something which works wonders for actually dry skin and allergic skin, like it's hypoallergenic, but also for it will, Someone's asking me you should use Dettol, like really? No, not at all. Never ever use Dettol on your face, guys. There are so many products I'm featuring. इसमें से कुछ use करो. Don't go on to that tangent. So this is CosRx. This is a brand that is there on Amazon, and it is not there on any other particular website. So I saw it. I was also getting a discount on this. I think there is a 46% discount, which is huge, and I didn't even think before, you know. Absolutely. टोनर के बाद ही क्रीम लगवाते हैं. So you know, we will be discussing a whole skincare regime. So right now I'm featuring all Korean brands because today's live is about Korean products, but and my favorite picks from that. But also remember, there is a step to follow when it comes to skin. First is always cleansing. The second is always toning. There is a 3-step. If you want to keep it simple, then you put a moisturizer. But I would say use this. Then CosRx is this is a Slane slime serum again, which can be applied on top of it and will give you better results. So I'm not a one product person, so let me unbox it for you and show you guys. I've tried this on from my sister's bottle, and I've just recently ordered this, so I was like, okay, let me check it out. So this is how I'm unboxing it. Any other questions anyone has? Hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit, and please, I want to welcome you guys on Amazon Live. Here I am with you talking about Korean skincare brands, the guys who have the best skin on our planet. Actually, I love their skin, the way they glow. Even though boys, Korean boys have, like, you know, such good skin, and I'm like, what happens? It's all this. So I've opened the bottle. Just look at this. It's gorgeous. Again, it's so, you can see it, right? It's like water. It's so light. It is like water. So this is a brand that I would really want you guys to check out on Amazon. I have, you know, picked up a few products and I've put it in the link below. तो आप जाके इस पर क्लिक करके देख सकते हैं. एंड एक्चुअली इस पर अभी डिस्काउंट भी है, बिकॉज इफ़ यू गो टू द स्टोर एंड पिक इट अप और समथिंग, आई एम श्योर इवन ऑन एनी अदर शॉपिंग वेबसाइट इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी more expensive. But one thing about Amazon is कि you know, you are sure about what you are getting. ऐसा नहीं है that, you know, you are, if you know how to shop from Amazon better, you will never fail. You will never have a bad experience. You will always have a good experience. And I'm going to talk about that as well. So how to order? What are the things to check out when you are ordering a product from Amazon? See the rating. Yeah, it's like I saw it was like, you know, there are some 15,647 people who have reviewed this product and said good things. It has 4.5 stars. It is on 50% off, because you know, Amazon cannot control the vendors to, you know, make sure that ye kaun si quality. It is us as a family who write reviews. I make it a point to write reviews on Amazon and give rating, because you know, I'm helping others, and by doing this today, I feel that I'm helping more. So yeah, it makes a lot of sense to me, and that's why I say that हमेशा rating देखा करिए, हमेशा comments पढ़ो, and read about the seller. Reading about the seller will always help you make the right decision, because there are a lot of sellers selling the same product. So how do you choose which seller to buy it from? So that is where you go to the reviews, where you go to the comments, you see कि प्रोडक्ट की पैकेजिंग कैसी थी, अच्छा था, नहीं था, अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट, यू रीड इट. वेल, अभी तो मैं आपके सामने बैठी हूँ. सो या, दिस इज द स्नेल स्लाइम. पता है आपको, देयर इज अ ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ स्नेल स्लाइम. कम ऑन, कम आउट. सी द फर्स्ट ड्रॉप. कैन यू सी दिस? आई डोंट नो, जस्ट सी दिस. Just see, it's going till there. Yeah. So it's slimy as hell. Like literally, it's amazing. That, see, you saw that it was so slimy, and the moment I do this and I do this, it's gone. You can't even feel it. ऐसा लग रहा है कि कुछ लगाया ही नहीं है. And ऐसा ही लगना चाहिए. It just feels like a hydration shot, and it just gets absorbed. Those are the products that I personally love, that don't create a layering, because then I can put 3-4 products and put all the essential things on my face which will actually create a, ये मेडिसिन में आता है नहीं, ये मेडिसिन में नहीं आता है, बट ये मेडिसिन से बेटर आता है एक्चुअली. Somebody just asked me that question, so let me tell you about it. This snail slime, there is a treatment, पता है पहले आपको, they used to get snails and put it on the face to suck the blood, and they used to say that कि इसके बाद, like that snail facial के बाद you'll get a fabulous glow, and that's where they realize जो वो snail slime है, that is really really good for the skin. It has very like loads of antioxidants. It creates like a barrier on that's your skin again. जो fine lines होते हैं ना, that come अगर आप अपने skin को अच्छे से moisturize करते हो. By moisturize I do not again mean कि 10 प्रोडक्ट लगा लिए और फिर ऐसे कर रहे हैं तो वो प्रोडक्ट हाथ में आ रहे हैं. नॉट लाइक दैट. स्पेशली देखो वो दैट विल स्टिल वर्क मे बी फॉर पीपल हु हैव ड्राई स्किन, बट for people with acne or oily skin, you will always have to go for products which are lightweight products, which are water based products, which are, you know, just based out of hyaluronic acid or collagen and stuff like that, because that is the product that is going to help you for sure. So if I talk about this is the snail slime serum that you get, and I showed you the texture, and I have spoken about the reviews, about how many, like 15,000 people have reviewed it, plus it is on a discount of 46%, guys. Like it's crazy good a deal. That's why I didn't think of it. Also, like I just stole one bottle from my sister. She was like, oh, this is really nice. I used that. The moment it got over, I was like, let me order another one, and then I was waiting for this live to unbox it in front of you and show you how it actually looks and feels, and it is amazing. So don't only check out one product from Cosrx, you can check out more products that they have. And yeah, like there are 3 products that I've personally tried from Cosrx, and I've loved all. So yeah, so first is number 1 is of course the snail slime, because there are days जब मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा होता कि मैं इतना कुछ करूँ, and I'm lazy. All I do is wash my face, make my life easy, put one maybe like this toner, put the snail slime, maybe put a cream, and just, or else not even do that and just go to sleep. So this is something that I put at night, and I also put it in the day. Like in the morning, the first thing you do is wash your face. You have to put a toner. If you have a good toner, then you are sorted. Now this was peptide, which has hyaluronic acid. Then this was the snail slime. Now I'm going to another toner, which, so I have never stuck to one toner. Like, you know, I keep switching, because sometimes like your body is more intelligent than you think. So the body gets used to products really fast. So when you use multiple things and you're switching, you know somewhere ki, you know, these are the products that are working for me, how I feel. Sometimes some products might do better on my skin. Maybe this will do better on my skin and this will do better on yours. So you can pick and choose as per how you feel about the product. Plus also there is a price bracket that, you know, we all look at while shopping, and that is also something that I would like to cover. That's why I have given you, like, you know, 2-3 ranges where, you know, you can pick up something which is very expensive. You can also pick up something which is relatively cheaper but does the job and is very useful. So anyone else, can you tell me a proper skincare regime in the morning? Of course I can. Like the first thing you do is you wake up, you wash your face with cold water, and then you apply a toner. A toner is, this can be recommended. This is a proper toner. This actually, the Ceramiden is a Korean brand of Dr. Jart. I think it is, I'm in love with him. Somebody gifted it to me, and ever since I've been a fan, and like literally itna sa reh gaya is bottle mein because I've used it up and it lasts super long. So another thing that I feel that, you know, one should be careful about is the quantity of the product. Iske bare mein bhi hum baat karenge. So the quantity doesn't have to be itna sara. 2 drops of a good product, which it'll firstly last longer, because, you know, you're using only 2 drops. And at the same time, even if it is a little more expensive, eventually it becomes in the same bracket. So always keep that on the back of your mind. So for a morning skincare regime, if you ask me, first is cleansing, second is toning, third is of course moisturizing. If your skin is acne prone, then moisturize it with very lightweight moisturizers which don't sit on your face and gets absorbed. Actually, a toner prepares your skin for a moisturizer. Remember that. Toner के बाद क्या होता है, automatically it helps your skin absorb the moisturizer better. It's not कि आपने एक के ऊपर एक लगा लिया. It is actually making that space, like how they say पहले salad खाओ, then you eat your carb, like your proteins, and then you eat your carbs. It's the same thing with your skin also. So remember that. And now let's go to Ceramide. This one. Hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit, and today again we are today I'm talking about all Korean skincare products that I've personally used and I love. So if in case you've just missed out, you can go through my list. There are only 2 products that I've featured so far. This is my 3rd product, and I am in love with this product from Dr. John. Of course, this is a little, like, I'll just feature it for you guys. Where is it? Yeah. This is a little more expensive than maybe the other products that I have featured, but it does the job really, really well. Especially, this I would suggest, especially for people with dry skin. It is. So first toner, then first cleansing, toner, and then moisturizing. Oily skin, you have to kind of, make sure that the texture is very soft and it absorbs really well. And one thing please don't forget is a sunscreen in the day. Everyone has to put a sunscreen. This is like any skin doctor you will go to will tell you sunscreen lagao. That is the first thing they write, and they'll give you a sunscreen. And we can actually do a separate vlog altogether and a separate live for the kind of sunscreens that are available and what works the best. But sunscreen is a must. So let's get back to the ceramide toner. This also has 5 types of cera acids that are there in it. Like this has this is hyaluronic acid. This has all the ceramide acids that are there, and especially this product is very, very good for dry skin. See, I'll just show you. This is the amount that you need to take. This is the amount. 1 drop, literally 1 drop. Just see again. I just apply it like this and it's gone. इसके तो बहुत सारे benefits हैं क्योंकि ये dry skin में बहुत amazing work करता है. It helps you absorb your moisturizer that you're going to be putting post this really well. But let me tell you a secret. इसके साथ बहुत बार, like with ceramide and this Dr. Jart serum especially, I don't use a moisturizer. I'm in a rush. I forget everything. But I just want to go and maybe have my first cup of coffee and I just wash my face and I'm like, the first thing I'll just put this and I know it's moisturized. So this is with moisturizers in it. Of course, if you put a moisturizer on top of it, it's better. But if you don't want to, it's absolutely okay because this itself gives you that moisture that you require. It is excellent for allergic skin, for dry patches, people who have dry patches, and it is very, very good for people with very, very dry skin. So this is again hypoallergenic. इसको लगाने के बाद आपको allergy या itching होता है ना, scratching, nothing of that sort is going to happen. So this is my love. So I'm here selling this, not exactly selling this, sharing this, and you guys should be grateful. All my friends have told them, please Amazon live पे आके देख लेना, don't call me separately कि आजकल क्या use कर रही है. So I'm like, now I'm doing something which is more exciting, and if you actually open my closet now, there is a whole cupboard full of skincare products. That is the amount of skincare products I've tried and tested. So most of them I've rejected for some reason, but I have really clinged on to a few that I personally have loved. This is one of that too. So all the products that you're seeing here in this link niche are all my favorite picks that have been used and verified by the person who has the worst dry skin and most allergic skin, Pranita Pandit. So yeah, ceramide is on the list. It is a toner again, and check it out for sure. Like, it has like 4 stars. I don't think there's a huge discount on it, but yeah, it's a good one, so you can always look into it. It is a little steep, so That is one aspect that you can consider, but then it lasts really long. अगर normal toner आपका 1 महीने 2 महीने में ख़त्म हो रहा है तो ये easily 6 महीने चलेगा. So you know, it eventually works out to be the same. So that's the reason I have picked this and I've put this here on my table, because this is the third product. This is the product that I love. This is again a Korean skincare brand. Dr. Jart के काफ़ी सारे products हैं available, you know, on Amazon. They have moisturizer also, which is fantastic. It is a little thicker, but again, it doesn't create a mota sa layer on your face. It will just, you know, kind of keep it natural. So it's nice. And if you want that glowy, dewy skin, then this is like, you know, my recommendation to all of you, because it also helps in, you know, preventing fine lines. टोनर से ये एक बहुत बड़ा फ़ायदा है जो लोग समझते नहीं है. दे फील कि अरे टोनर क्या है, लाइक, बट दैट्स नॉट द केस. यू नो गाइस, टोनर इट प्रिपेयर्स योर स्किन फॉर द मॉइस्चराइजर. एंड वो जो +30 वाले फाइन लाइन्स आने लग जाते हैं ना, इफ़ यू डोंट टेक केयर ऑफ देम एट द राइट टाइम एंड यू डोंट यूज़ द राइट प्रोडक्ट्स, देन नथिंग वर्क्स. सो सेव योर स्किन नाउ, एंड on a good skin, makeup looks fabulous. So yeah, this is my third pick. So I've spoken a lot already, so I want to use a product that I love, which is always in my bag, and that is something that I can use on top of the makeup, and is also a Korean brand. And let me look for it, and I will click on it, and then you can go check them out too on Amazon. Here you go. So जो लोग people who are doing this, you know, whole thing that they don't want to use alcohol based products, बहुत से लोगों के दिमाग में होता है ये, and I respect that. This Pilgrim face mist is no alcohol. It gives you that freshness that you require, and yeah, look at the bottle, and of course I've used it, so amazing smell. Oof. Just gives you that freshness. And because my skin बहुत dry, so I kind of keep these things handy, like a toner and a face mist, because it actually gives you that instant hydration, and this can be used on top of your makeup also. And sometimes, you know, you forget to carry your perfume and you just feeling like tired or something, and you just spray it. It smells amazing. It just gets absorbed really fast. There's nothing that you have to think about. Any questions, guys, please ask me. I'm here and I will answer them all. So yeah, because I want this to be interactive and fun. It cannot be like one-sided, so we have to, like, you know, talk more. And I'm sure after this live tomorrow, when we'll be doing a live, and after that also I'll have a lot more questions coming in from you guys. And this is product. This is actually cruelty free. It is amazing. It doesn't have any chemicals. It's alcohol free. It's a nice face mist to carry. It has that mild fragrance which kind of does the job, makes you feel fresh, nice and happy. So yes, I've actually sprayed it thrice. I love it that much. I'm sorry I'm doing this in the live, but it's nice. So I feel nice. So this is the Pilgrim one. I've clicked on it. It also has a 4-star, so that means that a lot of people out there have liked it. So yeah, this is my go-to spray post makeup, and it'll not do anything to your makeup, so don't worry. So you can always use it. It'll give you that freshness and glow, and it's again cruelty free, alcohol free, all organic ingredients and all of that. It's safe, no chemicals. It's FDA approved, guys, so nothing to worry. As it is, most of the products that I feature, I will be featuring ahead also, are all approved by an agency, like, you know, by FDA approved. I do not buy things which, you know, is not tried and tested. And thanks to Amazon, it's so easy, because like I said, you can, you know, see the reviews, you can see the seller, you can see the reviews on the seller. सबसे amazing बात ये, like, that is the best feature of Amazon. The reason why I buy from Amazon is that I can actually see reviews on the seller. अगर seller ही ढंग का नहीं है, so then I don't know what product he's featuring. So it's not that, you know, everything that you get is perfect and there is nothing, and, you know, it's all like up to the mark, or, you know, we're trying to just doing this to sell the products. No, guys, it's very real. It is genuine, and at the same time, go check it out for yourself. Read about the seller, yeah. Don't, and also see some products are, sometimes you kind of order it in a haste and you think you already have the last toner left. Products are refundable too. Amazon ka, there is this whole payback thing, which you can get it back in, like, you can get your money back in like 3 hours, which is like super quick. If you want it on the card back, then that takes a little bit of time, but otherwise I feel the return policy of Amazon is amazing, because I am somebody who will order like raat ko baith ke, some 10 products, and after that in the morning I'm like, oh, I don't need so many, I just need 4. So I'm the person who will go back and return it and take the money back. So it's okay sometimes to do that. If you are shopping on Amazon, then it's even better, because, and also read about the seller. That's another thing. So 4 products have been featured. I'm Pranita Pandit. Today we are doing this live on Korean skincare regime, and I'm really enjoying it, and I'm really happy to be sharing these things with you, my secrets with you. And let's go ahead. Which is the next product that I should talk about? आई डोंट नो, बहुत सारे लोगों ने यूज़ नहीं किया होगा वो प्रोडक्ट, बट मैं उसके बारे में बात करना चाहती हूँ, बिकॉज आई थिंक इट हैज़ डन वंडर्स फॉर मी. लेट मी क्लिक ऑन इट फर्स्ट. सो दिस इज Laneige water sleeping mask. It is so amazing. Like I said, it does not pile up on your face. It is very smooth. You just apply it. Like I to apply a thick layer, but then it gets absorbed a bit. It is a sleeping mask. So जैसे आपने टोनर लगा लिया, मॉइस्चराइजर लगा लिया, and you're still feeling कि tomorrow I have to go for a party, or tomorrow I have to, I'm not wearing makeup all day, and my skin needs to look better, and I'm not feeling that hydration from within. Sometimes we have less water. Water is also a must, dude. Sometimes you feel that, I am, not feeling that moisture from my skin. This is the product to go to. It's a sleeping mask. And the main reason behind I use this is for hydration. It just hydrates your skin. And the morning when you wake up, you feel like your skin, your face is like plumpy, it's soft, and it's glowing. Like, please use it and tell me back, like in this chat, because how these sleeping masks work. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये बेड पे चिपक जाएगा, but it gets absorbed and it just stays. And when you'll wake up and you'll actually wash your face, the kind of freshness and happiness that you feel from within is crazy. So I'll open this and you see, ये है इसका texture is again very light. See, it's disappeared. It's like this. So you just basically apply it and sleep. Nothing else. And when you'll wake up, you will know the difference in your skin. That instant hydration boost, like कभी कभी हमें नहीं लगता कि हम ये face sheet पूरे time लगा के रख लें, where it says that you can only put it for 15 minutes and then you take it out because it dries up, but you don't like it. So this is actually, it just creates a layer. And only when you wash it will you, next morning, you will feel that, oh, this has just done something which is amazing. So this one, so sleeping masks also, you get a variety of them. Now you will say, इसमें क्या फ़र्क है, इसमें क्या फ़र्क है, वो सारे फ़र्क मैं आपको बता दूँगी अभी कि what is the difference between this and the other sleeping mask that I have. So this is basically for hydration when my face is feeling dehydrated. This is the one I use. And again, it's very lightweight. It's really nice. Laneige is again a Korean brand which is available on Amazon. I have clicked on it. It is a little expensive, but I don't think it's that expensive. Like, again, the quantity that you use is so little that you don't feel the price bracket. So that is the best part about these products. So you never think कि ये तो इतना महंगा एक छोटा सा फेस, तो it's gonna last you long ना. कोई 200-300 रुपए की भी चीज़ होगी, अगर वो 1 महीने में ख़त्म होती है, and if this is 700, it lasts you like 3 months. It's the same thing, right? So you have to be very wise when you kind of invest in your skincare. And I always tell all my friends, please, people ask me makeup अच्छा कैसे लग रहा है, मैंने कहा makeup अच्छा इसलिए लग रहा है क्योंकि skin अच्छी है. because I'm taking care of my skin. If you don't take care of your skin and you apply makeup, you will see there is a huge difference. The makeup does not sit well. It has to be moisturized, it has to be supple. That's why a lot of people put this primer to smoothen out the skin. But just imagine if your skin is already smooth and it is like, hydrated and it doesn't have so many lines, automatically any makeup you put, even one product, it just goes in well. लड़कों के चेहरे पर ये काम एब्सोल्युटली काम करेगा. माई हस्बैंड पुट्स इट ऑल द टाइम. इसमें कुछ सोचने की भी बात नहीं. इट्स अ स्लीपिंग मास्क. इट्स फॉर, वी आर नॉट डूइंग दिस जेंडर थिंग, सो देयर इज नो मेल फीमेल. All men can use all these products, and please go ahead and use and don't feel shy. You guys should look beautiful too, and and you have to take care of your skin as well, because everyone ages, be it a man or a woman, and we need to kind of take care of each other. Like, I to apply face masks and packs on my husband also, and I love it because we do it together. It's our quality time together, and I recommend that to you, so you can both put the sleeping mask and sleep on the bed. So this was for hydration. Now let's go to another face mask, which is again Laneige ka, which is Sisa sleeping mask. Let me click on it and you'll be able to see it here. This is, of course, this is a smaller package that I'm showing you guys, but the one that I put in the link is the actual box, and it lasts really long, and I can see it's on a 20% discount. This is an amazing brand, Korean brand, that I personally love, and I first time used it when I was traveling to Europe, and I saw it and somebody had told me that this is get to be featured. I'm going to be featuring it. So I bought my bottle of Laneige water hydrating serum, cream, moisturizer, whatever you want to call it, from Europe, and I started using it, and I was like, this is amazing. So I had initially got a tester from there. When you buy products, they put some small testers, and I love testing our products, like I said. So this is the Sisa sleeping mask. Now what is the difference? अब आप कहोगे ये sleeping mask और ये sleeping mask तो same है. No boss, there is a difference, and that is why I'm here, because I want to tell you the difference. Firstly, this is only for hydration, basically for hydration. This is for irritation. कभी कभी आपकी skin is irritating you. It has that little scratchy feel to it. You feel that bump. Somebody had written that what about that bumpy skin? Use this and you will know. You will know the difference between this and this. When you use both, then you will know. So if you have something which is like this is again hypoallergenic, so it is not going to cause allergy. वो जो bumps हैं या फिर वो जो rash है, जो unevenness है ना, वो इसको smooth करेगा. So this sleeping mask is again the one that I really recommend. Any questions about sleeping mask, please ask me now. And see, it's completely different. You saw that was transparent and very light, because that was only for moisture. Now this Laneige one is like white in color, and it is thicker. It is better. See, this is the difference. This is this, and I'll show you the other one again. Hi guys, I'm on Amazon Live. I'm Pranita Pandit, and all those guys who have just joined in, I can see your numbers go up. So welcome to my live, and I'm doing a review of all Korean skincare brands and products that I personally love and approve of. So here I am. This is the Laneige, the water sleeping mask. So you see, right? This is transparent, translucent. It's too light. It's for your hydration. This was a little thicker. Like I said, इसमें और इसमें difference है. See? ये difference है कि अगर आपके skin is feeling that irritation and उसको ज़्यादा calmness की ज़रूरत है, and it's a little hypoallergenic, then I would say go for this for those days when you are feeling that something's gone wrong. I'm feeling that allergy, or I'm feeling that acne, and it's itching, and I got a patch, like a dry skin का छोटा सा patch, and I applied it for 3 nights. I was good to go. In the morning only, I could feel that it is just settled down. So that is why there are so many products in the market, because not everything does everything, right? Plus again, anti-aging properties like fine lines and everything ke liye it really works well. So that's why I prefer I'll next time keep a tissue also, but then I'm loving it. I love all these things going inside my hand. I feel my hand is also moisturized now. Yeah, So that is the difference between these two products. I had spoken about this for hydration. This one, the Sisa one of Laneige, is basically for like allergic kind of prone skin with dry patches, or you want like that fine line, or sometimes you get this dryness around your eye. You can just apply it all over the face. So ऐसा नहीं है that sleeping mask आप eye में नहीं लगा सकते हो, eye के नीचे नहीं लगा सकते हो. Put your under eye cream for night, and then you can just put it all and then sleep and then wake up and see the difference. So those were the 2 face masks that I recommend, and let's just break the monotony of that and go back to the moisturizing bit. This is again my CosRX snail slime moisturizer all-in-one cream. So kabhi you're in a rush, like I said, you just want to do toner and moisturizer, cleansing toner, moisturizer. Love this. Let's unbox it. Oh, I have to click it for you guys to go and check it out later, which one I'm talking about. So parallelly also you can hear. There's a discount on this also. Just look at the number of comments and reviews that are there. It is something like 10,255, and it has a 25% off. So that's huge, guys. So please, like, always read these things. Amazon has just given it all to you in front of you, and then sometimes we just are so ignorant and we don't like do some research, see videos, learn, understand about products. It's important. It's for your face, and nothing can compensate for that. This is the look at the packaging, and look at the size of this damn cream. It's huge, and it's only for 1,237 rupees. Wow, and it's on a discount. So this is it. This is a moisturizer. So wow, you see the snail slime thing hanging? It's not like just a moisturizer. Wow. This will, see this. Guys, this is great. This just, ऐसा लग रहा है, but once you apply it, like right now I'll apply it on my hand and you'll see how it is just got absorbed. Makeup कर रहे हो, उसके पहले लगाना है. Please put this moisturizer, put a sunscreen and do your makeup. Don't like think I'll give you some makeup hacks in the coming lives. It's gone. It's gone. There is nothing. So light, again lightweight, because my skin is extremely dry. I do not use things that don't get absorbed fast. I don't like it. People with acne also, they should really look into this. This is can be applied all over your face. It is a CosRX Advanced Nail Slime all-in-one moisturizer. I'm excited about this. So I'll tell you about a story about this particular brand. Like I told you, right? My sister kind of introduced me to the brand, and then because she knows I'm crazy about Korean skincare brands, so and other Korean skincare products, and I love the skin those guys have, right? So I feel they must be doing something right. कि इतनी अच्छी skin कैसे हमारी तो नहीं है, हम बना लेंगे उसको अच्छी by using all their products, and it's not so expensive. It was so cheap. She's like, अरे Amazon पे मिल रहा है. I'm like, really? I went, I checked it out, and it was on a discount also. Like right now also I can see it for like a 25% off, which is fabulous. So yeah, this is your moisturizer that I personally love, and I'm all gaga about. And you can just like apply this. It's like a one-stop shop. Sometimes अगर आपने essence नहीं लगाना या serum नहीं लगाना, I prefer using the serum and moisturizer together. But if you don't, then go for a all-in-one moisturizer like this, So और ये सब लड़कों के चेहरों पे लग सकता है. With acne it's good, with dry skin it's good, it's just good. So this is another featured product of mine which I love for my skincare routine, and it's a Korean brand. So check them out. I'll have to go a little fast. We have a little less time left. I thought, oh my god, I thought lamba hoga, but it's so much fun doing this that I didn't realize. Somebody had asked me about acne. Let me get quickly into it and tell you about this Innisfree. I've not even touched. It's again a Korean brand, and it's available everywhere. It's available on Amazon also, and I've picked them up from Amazon. So these are capsules. Okay, so I love picking up these Innisfree capsules. इनके भी सबके अलग अलग वर्क्स हैं, this is for something else, this is for something else, and this is for something else. So these are the 3 products that I'm going to be talking about. I still have like lots of products, maybe in another life, that are left with me. We will do that. But let's go for this one, because this is especially for acne prone skin. So anyone who has acne, like I told you, I'm going to tell you about one product that you can use, which is this is a volcanic clay cluster. So basically ये जो acne होता क्यों है? Acne इसलिए होता है because dust particles get stuck to your face and they penetrate, and that's what causes mostly acne to happen. And आपके pores बड़े होते हैं, so it kind of sits in. So this will really help you clear it up, clear it all up. It is a thick mask that you put, you sit with it, and this works wonder for people who have oily skin, especially acne prone skin. Yes, you can go for it, and it'll just kind of, again, because it'll take out all the oil from your face, you will have to pump your face up with some nice light moisturizer. Even if your skin is oily or it has acne, you should always use a milder moisturizer. But use this mask, it is really good. Innisfree has it, you get it in these capsules. I make this capsule last like two to three times, sometimes 2 times. So at least I don't use it up all together in one time. I put it in the refrigerator, I take it out, and then I put it again. So yeah, I like to save it and use it twice. You can also yeah, somebody has just asked me a question about oily skin. Pimple के लिए है. Yes, pimple के लिए है ये. Vimal Kumar, yeah. So Vimal, it is for people who have pimples. Pimples होते क्यों है? Dirt जब जम जाता है उसकी वजह से pimples होते हैं 99.9%, unless there is some internal issue and your hormonal issue, which is not the case mostly. Mostly is because of the dirt and not taking care of your face. So this is a very good mask for people who have acne, pimple, oily skin. So please use this mask at night. You can use it in the day also, but I say that why, because it kind of sucks out all that extra oil from your face. उसके बाद आप इसको moisturize करके put a nice glowy sleeping mask and then just sleep, and you will see a difference in your face and in everything. So yeah, this is for oily skin. They also have other products Innisfree has, are all for skin which are dry, which are allergic. One is with aloe. So we all know कि ये aloe sleeping mask जो है, ये basically hydrate भी करता है, heal भी करता है. Aloe vera has healing properties. So I don't like to stick to one. I keep changing between my sleeping mask. That's how I like it. This one is the rice one, which is, see, rice capsule is there and aloe is here. Aloe is here. So I'm going very quickly through the aloe one because this is again for healing properties, little irritation and agitation. So yeah, that is the one. Any messages here? Chandra, yes. Thank you so much for saying very nice. So this is the aloe one that you can check out. It's cheap. I use it twice. It has good reviews. You can see there are 4 stars on it, and yeah, 38 reviews. Go check out the seller, see, and you can get one for yourself. The other one that right now I'm featuring is the rice capsule one, which is again a great sleeping mask because of the fact that this is for that allergic skin type. Like जो एलोवेरा स्टिल माइल्डर राइट, ये रेगुलर यूज़ में कर सकते हो. बट अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपको ड्राई पैचेस हो रहे हैं, एलर्जी हो रही है, इरिटेशन हो रही है, वो हील नहीं हो रहा वैसे, एंड यू नीड दैट एक्स्ट्रा बूस्ट, go for the oats. They have the oats one also. They have rice capsules also. So these rice, बोलते ना वो माड़ बहुत से लोग लगाते थे वो चावल का, for on the face is really good. So this is one of them. It's all like natural stuff that they have reformulated and given it to us and made life easy for people like us who want to splurge and take care of their skin, and especially post 30, guys, please save your skin. It's not going to be there like that forever. Abhi save kar loge to 45 tak you will be like happy, otherwise it's not happening. So yeah, this is the one. Then yeah, I have like lots of stuff happening here and I'm feeling, oh, I'm still short on time. Itni sari baatein kar li. This is a Korean eye patch for the under eye. Just put it, ye chipak jata hai. It actually just sticks to your eye patch. And so that is the one. Here, you can check this out. It also has a really good review. It is on a 40% discount is what I can see. Vitalogy under eye patch. It is a Korean brand again. and this is how the eye patches look. You can just open it up and it'll stick. I have like literally videos on Instagram where I've put these eye patches and made videos because I love to just pamper myself some days. So yeah, another thing that a lot of people have asked about, acne and oily skin, whereas my skin is super dry. But yeah, there is one thing that all of us use, which is for your blackheads, no strips. Get it at Miniso. It's not super expensive. It's cheap. It works really well. We will do a live where when without makeup completely, and I'll show how this works. But this is really nice. It's from Miniso. It is available on Amazon. It is just there, and 10 to 15 minutes, all that extra pore clogging and all of that, it'll come out. So scrub, put this, wait it out, take it out, and then follow your steps, which is of course cleansing, toning, moisturizing. I also would want to do my 9-step skincare regime with you guys later, and it will, I'm sure it'll help. Can you show it closer, please? Yes. What's Miniso? Miniso is the product. So it's Miniso, and yeah, it's blackhead removal mask. So don't have to look here and there, and it is also a Korean brand. So, and they are not super expensive. It's very, very economical. It is available on Amazon. You can check it out and you can try it for blackheads. I try this. This is my. They also have some eye masks that are there for just to relax. We'll talk about it in the next live maybe, or sometime else. I have 5 products more. Anyways, I've linked those products here. Guys, check it out. See if you have any questions. We can always talk about it and discuss it. And next time, I think you guys will be more prepared to what to ask me in my next live, because now I feel that you know me a little better than just from that point of view of an actor, and like you've seen me on TV with all that makeup and hair, but a lot goes behind that, which is taking care of my skin, myself, and yes, I am super excited to be a part of this live, and I'm really looking forward to more of these, and I'm gonna catch you guys super soon. Check out a moisturizer of Laneige that I have also put. It is again very lightweight, very good for dry skin. It's like you're not wearing anything, and it just is there. It protects your skin. So check this one out. Check out Pilgrim, their products. They have hyaluronic acid serums. I'll just show you. Wait, I've marked it here. You can check it out. Any questions, anything you feel that you want to ask me, you can ask me. So I would like to actually talk a little more on this product later, because it has some retinol also, so there are some do's and don'ts that come with it. But yeah, please read, see the reviews, get to know your skin a little better. Use some products on a regular basis to make it more healthy and vibrant. So yes, here I am with my favorite picks of Korean skincare regime, and I've shared it all with you guys, and I'm really looking forward to my next live, I think, which is on body care products. So we've spoken about the face. Now we are going to be doing some body care products in my next live. So I will be waiting for all you guys to kind of join in soon with many more questions. Any questions on body care, please come prepared. You can just ask me or randomly throw questions at me and I'll answer them all. I want this to be a more interactive session, and yeah, we will soon go into makeup and all sorts of streams. So yes, thank you so much. It was lovely today, and I loved every bit of it, and I hope you guys loved it too. And it's Pranita Pandit now saying bye-bye. Take care. Have a beautiful day ahead and enjoy yourself. Lots of love.